Hello friends, this is the video for CA Final May 2020 question paper analysis. This video is in 100% English language. I have already recorded in Hindi in my Hindi channel. So if you want to listen this analysis in Hindi, you can go to my Hindi channel and refer that analysis. So the question paper was 100% from our material, apart from one or two theory questions which were not from important theory chapters, those were from non-important segment of theory, but definitely apart from that 100% practical paper was from our material. If you are my registered students, I will also give you the question number which you can find in my material and you can tally it if I am right or wrong. So first question is from foreign exchange chapter, letter of credit. The same question is covered in our material. So the question number of our material is question number 21A. Question number 21A. Second question is from derivative option chapter. The same question is covered in our material, that is question number 11B. Question number 11B. Third question is from theory. This is from interest rate risk management. The theory here is from non-important theory chapter. So this question might not be covered in our class because we only cover important theory chapters, because the theory is very huge and in the past examination 100% theory used to be asked from our important chapters. This is the new theory. Definitely we have covered some practical part of this theory in our interest rate risk management, but we have not covered its theory. So definitely you might face some problem in this question. Rest all the questions are from our syllabus. 2A, question number 2A is from mutual fund. The question number of our material is question number 20. Question number 2B is from corporate valuation. The question number is 6. Point number C is from our theory, important theory, outcomes of financial planning. It is covered in our class. 3A is GDR, ADR. The same question is covered in our international financial management. No problem at all. Question number 3B is from portfolio management chapter, calculation of beta. The same question you can find in question number 32A. 3C is again a question based on practical aspect. Direct theory is not covered, but definitely many students must have attended this question because foreign currency convertible bonds are some theory which are covered in our practical segment. Question number 4A is again from corporate valuation. Question number 5. Question number 5. Fine, sir. Again the B part is from mutual fund. Question number 8 similar. Few portion is conceptual but 50% part is similar. Benefits of securitization, again it is covered in our theory part. 5A is a basic question of merger and acquisition. Question number 5A, it is in our material. Question number 5B is based on EMA concept, exponential moving average. The same is covered in our material. Question number 4A, miscellaneous chapter. Question number 5C of compliance risk and operational risk. The same is covered in risk management theory part. 6A is from portfolio management. The same question, ditto same question is covered in question number 1C. Question number 6B. The same question is covered is in our mat as question number 9A, and question number 6C is covered in startup finance. The same theory is covered. So everything is covered apart from one theory question and one practical, where 50% portion is conceptual. So in this paper you can easily score 80% marks. All the students are scoring 80% marks, and if you are conceptually very strong, then 90% and above marks is in your way. I am waiting for your mark sheet or feedback. I am waiting for your examination results. Definitely you are going to rock this time. All these concepts are covered in our 100% English lecture. which we are providing especially to our English 100% English learner students. So definitely this time I am going to get a good result from South India also, because many times they used to complain that sir your classes are not in English, so we are not able to join your classes, but now you are joining my classes, you are also appearing in exam and you are getting good marks also. So I am waiting for your excellent result. So don't lose hope, even if your exam is in November 2022 and onwards, just follow what I have been telling you in my class, just follow my material, trust me, nobody in this earth can fail you in this subject, and nobody can stop you from scoring 90% and above marks if you prepare well, if you follow all my instructions. Thank you friends, thank you very much. Do subscribe this channel if you are English learner student, and if you are Hindi learner student, then you can subscribe to my Hindi channel. See you in my next video. Thanks a lot.